Tashi everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Global Tibetan Student Union. We are so happy to be back online and reconnect with all the Tibetan students, educators and supporters around the world. This union was started in 2016 by Mr. Nima with the support of Mr. Niue, Ms. Tenzin Dase and Ms. Doma Wangchi. Their goal was simple, to bring all the Tibetan students together and create a space where we could support each other, not just with studies, but also with culture, community, and friendship. Since then, we have grown into a strong network guided by our motto, unity, education, and motivation.
So what do we actually do? We help Tibetan students with college admissions, scholarships, mentorships, and awareness programs. One of our biggest initiatives is the school-to-campus tour. Every year, we go to Tibetan schools and talk to class 12 students about college. We walk them through it, helping them choose the right path and prepare them for the next chapter. We also host Literati every April. It's our annual education event filled with panel discussions and activities. Our latest theme was The Voice for the Voiceless, inspired by a book release from His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama.
We also believe in building community through fun and connections. The Unity Cup, which is our basketball tournament, helps bringing Tibetan youth together and is all about teamwork, bonding, and celebrating unity through sports. We also help Zamma in the 10K jackpot scholarship process by helping them select 10 Tibetan students for financial aid. We're also very proud of our GTSU book club, which is a space where Tibetan students come together to read, share ideas, and grow. It would have not been possible without the generous help of Ms. Tenzin Sinzitsam. It is because of her that the GTSU book club continues to grow and thrive. In order to stay organized and reach more students, we work through two zones, North and South. It helps us engage better with the local communities and respond to the regional needs.
Of course, we have faced challenges, financial constraints, time pressures, and distance between members. But we thank all the individuals for believing in our mission. We have kept going and growing. Now, 9 years since our founding, the Global Tibetan Student Union continues to stand for unity, empowerment, and purpose. As we relaunch this channel, we're not just sharing updates, we're sharing a vision where Tibetan students thrive, lead, and inspire. So subscribe, engage, and be part of this amazing journey. This is the Global Tibetan Student Union, where unity meets purpose. Tashi Delek.